Explore new reporting possibilities in Volume. In addition to previously available reports at the top of your panel, you can now access new report categories such as day, month, the hour of the day of the week. But that's not all. Now you can drill down inside any report you need, meaning you now can create specific reports based on all global reports, such as country or device type. From here you can drill down even further and apply grouping options. In addition to that, now you have a wider range of possible grouping options in specific reports, such as offers, landers, flows, traffic sources, affiliate networks, and country. Also, you can combine the day parting grouping with other groupings at the same time. How can you benefit from extensive reporting? For example, if you're tracking publisher IDs from your traffic source in Volume, you can compare each publisher's performance across all campaigns from that traffic source using a report grouped by the correct variable. Or with the hour of the day report, you can check which hours are not performing during the day, create a specific report for such an hour, and you'll see all your campaigns and offers. From here, you can spot which element is responsible for the drop in profit. Then you can create a rule-based path to redirect your traffic to offers that perform better during that time. Explore and benefit from the new possibilities of extensive reporting in Volume.